Hey guys, Mitch Warden here. I am in Venezuela. Now I always get the question. People ask me, Mitch, why did you go to Venezuela? Why did you choose Venezuela? We've heard a lot of things about Venezuela. It's dangerous, the crime rate, this and that. Well, let's just be honest. It's dangerous anywhere you go. It just depends on the areas, time of day, and all that kind of good stuff. But one of the main reasons why I absolutely love coming to Venezuela is because of the mountains. You can look behind me, check out the national park, El Tamay. It's really close to the city of Rubio. Take a look here. It is so beautiful. I love coming out, checking out Mother Nature, just the mountain life. It kind of gives you, Venezuela gives you, when you get in this, kind of gives you that jungle-like feeling. It's amazing. When you get here, you can see it. You can find things like parrots, monkeys, and all that stuff pretty much just everywhere. You can even buy them. It's legal here without having to have crazy permits and all that too. But again, one of the best reasons why I like coming to Venezuela, and one of the things that I always like to promote, is the mountain life. I mean, it is just absolutely gorgeous. Look behind me, check it out, and hopefully one day you guys will get a chance to come here and visit. It's absolutely beautiful. Take care. Thanks again for watching the videos. Peace out. Mitch Warden. See you guys. Mitch Warden. I'm here. We just left Petroleum Park, and I want to show you guys an amazing guy dancing. His name is Warden Family, right here in Venezuela. Check this out. He chickened out. He normally dances, but he didn't do nothing for us. Hey guys, Mitch Warden. I am here in the country of Venezuela, but I want to tell you guys a little bit about Venezuela. I've showed you the mountains, I've showed you some of the city life and stuff, but let me tell you about one of the tasteful events. We have the beer, Polar Ice. It's made right here in Venezuela, and it is delicious. Now, I'm not really a big beer drinker, but this is more of a social beer. You can come hang out. The place where we're at right now is a typical